coaches, the staff, at ang ating mga tech head, ang ating mga commissioner, at ang bumubuo ng ating Union Sports League at ang ating official basketball, of course, ang Mesuka made from Japan, Elevate Action, our official event partner para sa sports apparel. Kasama rin natin, of course, ang Pan Print Corporation as our official partner. At syempre, ang ating official live streaming partner, ang R Creative Events. At this tournament is presented to you by the First Coaches and Referees Union of the Philippines, presented to you by Mr. Ronaldo Noy Bermejo. At ito na po, ang ating second game on its way sa ating inaugural season between the PUP
second match of the
University of the Philippines
League.
Lady Radical, headed by head coach Arnold Buboy Rodriguez, former Shell, PBA Shell player, kasama ang kanyang mga assistant coaches Rogelio Molina, John, of course my friend Coach John Ramirez, Biwal Soon partner Benito Testor, and Edwin Parman, with their director Romulo Hobart and their team manager, none other than MPAM's owner, Boss Marvin P. Adolfo. Sa Adamson University naman, they will be headed by head coach Jed Cedric Colonia, assisted by John Kyle Umengay, Kathleen May Araza, Alain Albano, Will Pray Macabutes, assisted with strength and conditioning coach Marco Yulo, and their PT Ana Mariela de la Cruz. And palitan kagad ng possession. And of course, ang ating first five para sa parehas na koponan. Unahin natin ang white jersey, ang Adamson Lady Falcons, with number 1, Cyril Cortez, number 2, April Tano, number 14, that's Elaine Etang, number 13, si Jamana, alright, number 14, or rather number 13, that's Jamana Moniano, and number 23, Cheska Ang. Samantalang sa Lady Radicals naman, they will be headed by 0. Ang starting five natin, lovely Pate Panty, Bernaline Andrea Aragon, number 9, their usual scorer sa ating tournament. Number 77, Carmela Don Lala Reyes, Abigail Ariones, number 25, and number 3, Glady May Kasupang. Si Glady May nakakuha na ng starting 5 position dito kay Coach Buboy. And there's another basket for the Lady Falcons. Ball movement is what the Lady Falcons are doing right now. They lead by 4. Panti gives it to Kasupang. And Aragon guarded well by Mignano. And that hand up, matatapik. Running now are the Lady Falcons. Etang shifting to the left. What a move by Elaine Etang. Kasupang getting a high pick from Ariones. Kasupang, good pick and roll play by Kasupang and Ariones. It's now 6-2. At ang Union Sports League is presented to you by our lovely and generous sponsors, MP Adolfo Personnel and Logistics Provider OPC, the MPAMs, Mesuka, our official game ball, our creative events and organizing services, our official live stream and professional sounds provider. Of course, ang Pan Print Corporation, Swiss, Philippines, All Hoops, Elevate Action, Sports Apparel, at ang First Coaches and Referees Union of the Philippines, President Ronaldo Noy Bermejo. Also a big shout out to our USL Commissioner, Coach Ewan Aray, Deputy Commissioner, Coach Kay Lim, and our tech head, Mr. Albert Sumang, and an offensive foul will be called. And our coaching staff are not happy with that offensive call. But again, that call has been made. Kasupang. At ito, maagang pumasok itong si Dalangin. And that steal completed by Apag. Apag getting that bump. And 2 free throws para dito kay Cheska Apag. 6-2. Oh, short on Apag, and natawa na lang siya sa kanyang tira na yon.
Dumlang naririnig ko eh.
And again, maraming salamat to the RTU for being our official venue partner sa ating inaugural season ng Union Sports League. Carmela, Lala, lefty layup. What a move by Carmela Don Reyes. Etang to the corner. That will be a foul on Kasupang as he hit that arm, that shooting arm of April Tano. And April Tano will be shooting 3 free throws. She was fouled beyond the rainbow territory. It's 8-4, and last touch on the Lady Radicals. Possession will stay with the Lady Falcons. 2 teams from Manila, the heart of the Philippines. From the capital of the... Oh, good entry pass! Great backdoor play by Meñano papunta kay Etang. Kanta naman ng play na yon. Well executed. Carmela Don Reyes, cross court, or rather, in a great defense at the end by Cyril Cortez blocking that shot. Ganda ng crossover dribble na yon. Pero may foul na tinawag on that drive. Ganda ng galaw na yan ni Lala. And checking in, yung aking isa sa paborito from the PUP Radicals, itong si the hardworking Imea. At papasok na. Of course, ang PUP Radicals was our first crown champ sa ating University and Colleges Premier League. Of course, presented din yan ng First Union referees and coaches or ng First Coaches and Referees Union of the Philippines, yung ating UCPL last March lang, no? And another extra pass, and that is a basket for number 30 of the Adamson University. And Bea with her first 3 points in the ball game. Trixie Burgos. Visito Etang. 3-point attempt. Nothing but net. Binawi kagad ni Cheska Apag. Lala attacking the defense of Etang. Etang pushing that basketball. And Bea with the steal. Lala. Miscommunication between Aragon and Reyes. And Reyes will be replaced by Misahon. Imea also check out. Or sa Misahon, papalit kay Imea, and number 14 of the Lady Radicals. That's Florence Tagyam. Ito yung mga usual na starting five ni Coach Buboy. And quick hands coming from Misahon. Misahon to the corner. Tagyam misses. Setting up the play now is Elaine Etang. Menyano with that drive. Miss. Natapik ni Tagyam yung bola. And Kasupang will be fouled. Holding foul will be called against, or pushing foul will be called against Cheska. And Arcega and Francisco checking in now for Kasupang and Aragon. Also checking in number 20, that's Nicole Medina. So it's a two-guard combination. Two small guard combination between Dalangin and Francisco. Francisco setting up. Arcega with his first attempt. She missed. Misahon offensive rebound. Tagyam. Loose her footing, and she was forced to throw that ball as she was falling down to that baseline area. Carcalas. Charlene. Hand up. Is Etang on the drive. What an escape by Elaine Etang. Oh, good crossover by Dalangin. Dalangin, another crossover, but that time, a foul from behind will be called at number 20, Nicole Medina, her first personal. Both teams have three fouls under team foul. A minute and 40 remaining. Checking in is number 26, that's Nadine Munoz. Arcega, another attempt on the three. She misses. Tagyam will be caught holding. She needs to just stay on boxing out, but she holds Carcalas. So parehas na ang 14 foul. Itong parehas na kupunan. Padilla, hand up. Carcalas to Munoz. And a 3 seconds violation will be called on Trixie Burgos, as she was waiting for somebody to take that shot. Francisco. Karen. Back to Karen. Karen, dangerous pass inside. And last touch will be on Burgos. There will be 6 seconds to shoot para sa Lady Radicals. And Karen will do the honor to inbound on that play. Arcega. Arcega spinning. Francisco. 2 seconds. 1 second. Aabutan sila ng buzzer sa play na to. Munoz. Got ball on the steal by Arcega. Lucky break. At hindi dumrive itong si the tall girl, itong si Munoz. Laki nito. And what a great shot! Grabe yung follow through na pinakita sa atin ni Nicole Medina. Misahon. They are looking for a foul. That's game official Rick Cruz, our umpire 2, explaining the situation to Coach Buboy Rodriguez. Arcega again, her third attempt, sablay pa rin. And that will be a shot clock, not just a shot clock, but the first quarter will